Today, we're diving into a delicious twist on the classic Thai tom yum soup, adapted for ingredients readily available in Europe. The history of tom yum soup, a tale of Thai culinary heritage. Tom yum soup, widely regarded as one of Thailand's most iconic dishes, is a vibrant and aromatic soup that reflects the essence of Thai cuisine, balancing bold flavors of spicy, sour, salty, and savory. This beloved dish has a rich history intertwined with the culture, geography, and traditions of Thailand, making it a cornerstone of both everyday meals and grand feasts. The name tom yum derives from the Thai words tom, meaning to boil, and yum, referring to a specific type of sour and spicy Thai salad. Together, they signify the soup's core characteristics, a tangy, spicy broth that is simmered to perfection. Tom yum is believed to have originated in central Thailand, where the Chao Phraya River and its tributaries provided abundant freshwater fish and shrimp, key ingredients in the soup. The dish was initially a simple, rustic preparation designed to utilize the region's fresh produce and natural resources. Its early forms were likely made by boiling local herbs, fish, and other ingredients together, creating a hearty yet flavorful dish that catered to the Thai palate's love for contrasting flavors. Over time, it evolved into the complex and highly nuanced dish that we know today. The distinctive flavors of tom yum soup come from its essential ingredients. Lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime leaves are aromatic herbs that form the soup's backbone. These ingredients were historically used in Thai cuisine not only for flavor but also for their medicinal properties, as they were believed to aid digestion and boost immunity. Chili peppers and lime juice bring the heat and sourness that define the yum component, creating a tantalizing balance that stimulates the appetite. Fish sauce and shrimp paste add a depth of umami, tying the flavors together. Traditionally, fresh seafood such as shrimp, tom yum goong, or fish was the protein of choice, reflecting the dish's origin in riverine and coastal communities. However, variations with chicken, tom yum gai, or mixed mushrooms, tom yum head, also became popular over time. As Thailand expanded its culinary influence beyond its borders, tom yum soup became a favorite in neighboring countries and eventually across the globe. The dish has been adapted to include local ingredients, giving rise to countless variations. In modern times, the addition of coconut milk, known as tom kha, has become a popular twist, creating a creamier, milder version that caters to international tastes. Despite its variations, the core of tom yum remains deeply rooted in Thai culture. The soup continues to symbolize the Thai philosophy of harmony and balance, not only in food but also in life. Today, tom yum soup is celebrated as a global culinary ambassador of Thai cuisine. It is featured in street food stalls, high-end restaurants, and even packaged as instant soup, ensuring its accessibility to people from all walks of life. In 2021, it was listed as one of the world's best soups by culinary experts, further solidifying its place in the pantheon of great dishes. Modern versions of tom yum reflect the growing diversity of its audience. From vegan adaptations to fusion dishes featuring pasta or noodles, the soup continues to evolve while remaining a beloved staple in its traditional form. Beyond its culinary appeal, tom yum soup embodies the spirit of Thailand itself, warm, welcoming, and full of life. Its unique flavors capture the essence of the country's tropical climate, rich biodiversity, and deep-rooted traditions. Whether enjoyed as comfort food at home or as a showpiece at a cultural festival, tom yum remains a cherished reminder of Thailand's vibrant culinary heritage. In conclusion, tom yum soup is more than just a dish. It is a historical and cultural artifact that tells the story of Thailand's ingenuity, resourcefulness, and love for food. Its timeless appeal ensures that it will continue to delight taste buds and bring people together for generations to come. This version uses a rich fish stock made from dorade royale bones, substitutes galangal and kaffir lime leaves with ginger and bay leaves, and finishes with a fresh European mixed salad of radicchio, spinach, and arugula. Let's get started. Ingredients for 4 servings. For the broth, fish stock made from the bones and head of 1 dorade royale, 1 liter of water, 2 stalks of lemongrass, or substitute with the white part of spring onions and 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 3 slices of fresh ginger, substitute for galangal, 2 bay leaves, substitute for kaffir lime leaves, 4 garlic cloves, slightly crushed 2 to 3 red chili peppers, sliced, adjust to taste. For the soup, 200 grams whitefish fillet, for example dorade royale, cut into chunks 200 grams shrimp, peeled and deveined 100 grams squid, sliced into rings, optional, 100 grams mushrooms, champignon or shiitake, thinly sliced 1 small tomato, diced 1 small onion, julienne 2 tablespoons, fish sauce juice of 2 limes, 1 tablespoon sugar, optional. For the fresh twist, 100 grams mixed salad greens, radicchio, spinach, arugula. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Prepare the fish stock. In a large pot, combine the bones and head of the dorade royale with 1 liter of water. Add the ginger, bay leaves, garlic and chili peppers. Bring to a boil, then lower the heat and simmer for 20 minutes to extract all the flavors. Strain the stock and set it aside. 2. Build the soup base. Return the strained stock to the pot. Add lemongrass or its substitute, spring onions and lemon juice. Simmer for another 5 minutes to enhance the aroma. 3. Cook the proteins and vegetables. Add the chunks of fish, shrimp, squid, mushrooms, tomato and onion to the pot. Let it simmer gently for 5 to 7 minutes, just until the seafood is cooked through and tender. 4. Season the soup. Add fish sauce, lime juice and sugar if desired. Stir well and taste. Adjust the seasoning for a balance of salty, sour, and slightly sweet flavors. 5. Add the fresh greens. Turn off the heat and stir in the mixed salad greens, radicchio, spinach, and arugula. These greens add a beautiful texture and a European touch to the dish. 6. Serve hot. Ladle the soup into bowls, making sure to include a bit of everything: fish, shrimp, squid, mushrooms, and greens. Serve immediately and enjoy. This European adaptation of Tom Yum soup brings a fresh twist to the classic Thai recipe, showcasing the versatility of local ingredients. The combination of rich fish stock, aromatic spices, and vibrant greens makes this dish a perfect comfort meal. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more international recipes adapted for your pantry. See you next time.